Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about OR packages. OR packages provide a simple way to distribute the code and documentation. So there are many OR packages, and the most important one is tidyverse. So tidyverse is a collection of OR packages for data science. So there are many packages in this package in tidyverse, but there are 8 most important one. So we also divide these 8 important to 2 category: most useful and less useful. So the most useful tidyverse packages are ggplot2. We use this in visualization, readr for importing data, tidyr for clearing data, and deployr for manipulating data. And these 4 are the least useful. And here we have table for data firm. Per we use this in function and vectors, and stringr we use it with strings, and forecasts we use this one for solving common problems. So first of all, now I want to go and check the packages, and also after that install the tidyverse. So I just come here to our studio, and here you can see I have the console here, and I have the files here, and here I have the plots, and here are the packages. When I click here, you can see here I have the system library, and these are the simple packages here. So if I want to install another packages, it's pretty easy, straightforward. I just come here to the console and type here install.packages, and here I have to put this inside quotation mark, and I just put quotation mark and type here tidyverse and enter. So it's finished. So now when I come here to the packages, you can see we have here the user library. We have added this, and here you can see. So whenever we want to run a package, we have to use the library functions. I just type here library, and here I just write tidyverse and enter. You can see here I have here ggplot2, table, tidyr, reader. So now you can see I have run. These are ticked. It means that I have run this in tidyverse. So you can see here this one is ggplot2. So that's it about running and installing packages in our studio, and also I have introduced the tidyverse and its packages. So that's it about today. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.